In this video, I will show you how to create an AI chatbot that can branch out to different conversation flows based on user free text input. In addition, this chatbot automatically records user input along different routes. Let's start by creating a blank template. Assume that we are creating an AI chatbot as a hotel concierge. It can help guests arrange activities. Let's ask a free text question on what a user wants to do after they arrive at the hotel. Next, we show how to customize our chatbot to handle different guest requests. Assume that some customers would like to have a spa treatment. We store the matched keywords as user attributes, which can be used later for different purposes. Let's add a quick acknowledgement so that the user knows that the chatbot understands the context. Then let's add a follow-up request. We'll define this later. Let's suppose some customers will want food. We're adding a keyword and is similar to trigger like the spa response, but modified the answers associated with the user's request to try local foods. We use both keyword matching and is similar to triggers to make sure that the chatbot responds correctly to user input. Note that using keyword matching alone would be problematic. For example, if we use only keyword matching and a user input is, "I don't want any food," then the chatbot response is no longer correct. If the user's response is related to a spa treatment, then let's follow it up with how long they want to do that activity. If a user's response is related to food, then let's ask what's their favorite food. Now let's look at the reports dashboard after some users have responded. Assume that a hotel manager wants to examine the pattern of guest requests. We can view such information on the reports dashboard under Audience Analytics. Since guest requests are recorded as attributes, it's easy to view all the requests at a glance.